How to change the app language on CapCut. Our guest listen easy to change the language on CapCut application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now tap on the setting icon. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on app language. You will be provided with multiple languages over here. Select the one according to your preference. Once you select it, click on Done. As soon as you click on Done, your app will be refreshed in order to change the language. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna change app language on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.